Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a quick, easy, and free way to install the game Among Us on your Mac. First thing you have to do is install BlueStacks. So go ahead and search for that in Google and click on the download BlueStacks link. Just make sure that's from the bluestacks.com URL. From here you can go ahead and click on the download BlueStacks button on the left hand side if you have a Mac. Otherwise, if you have a Windows computer, you can go ahead and go through the install options on the right hand side. Then once you click the download BlueStacks, it will start installing the downloader that you will need in order to install BlueStacks on your Mac. This application will actually allow you to play any Android game on your MacBook, but in this case we are going to install Among Us. Alright, so now that the installer has downloaded on your computer, you can go ahead and click on it and you're going to get a pop-up that's going to verify the application and install it on your machine. Alright, so now that the installer has been verified and installed, you can go ahead and double click on the BlueStacks installer right here where it says 64-bit, double click on that icon, and this is going to complete the installation on your Mac. So the installation process does take a bit of time. I have an older Mac, a 2012 MacBook Pro, so if you have a newer Mac, it will be a little bit faster, so just keep that in mind. So now that the installer has installed and you can see the launcher over here, it's going to have some setup that you have to do. So you just click let's go as if you're setting up a new phone, and you're going to enter your Gmail information in order to be able to install applications from the Google Play Store. From there, it's really easy. You go ahead and launch the Play Store or go to the App Center here on the left side, search for Among Us, and you can go ahead and finally install the game. And this is going to install on the home screen that you just saw, and from there you can launch Among Us and start playing the game right from your Mac. And there you have it, a really easy, quick, and free way to install Among Us on your Mac. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.